You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words that many people get confused by and many people mispronounce. Stay tuned if you want to learn more confusing vocabulary. The top word is pronounced as casual, alright? Ca-jou, jou. It's like a ZH sound or almost like a J sound. J, casual, 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 casual. Alright? Now, the adverb is casually, casually, casually. So casual, as in a casual outfit or casual event, casual, and casually, how to pronounce in English, English pronunciation, casual pronunciation, casually pronunciation. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.